305, I got us on my way to making checks with double commas. Piling up to blow a couple bags with all y'all. And crush you ever wishing I come back when I'm done. Step before I get harm done. Hit that lift for my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pizza in a pan. I know this is a game changer. You guys need to try this. So the first thing we're going to need is half a cup of hot water and half a cup of cold water. And then the next thing we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of sugar, some instant yeast, or rather I used here Golden Star. You can use whichever one you have. I'm going to mix that up. I used half of it. If you're using half of it, in this way you can probably make 2 pizzas out of this. It's quite awesome, money saver in my opinion. We're going to use Sasco flour. You can use whichever one you have, and I mixed that up and mixed the dough very well. Make sure that your dough is not too firm or not too soft. I literally just used 2 cups of flour. When I'm satisfied, then I just cover that up and get on with the rest of the ingredients. So first thing we're going to do now is get ourselves a cup. Get some tomato sauce. I'm using chili tomato sauce, some peri peri sauce, barbecue braai sauce, just a dash of that, some paprika, oregano, coriander, black pepper, cayenne pepper, some seasoning of your choice, and then I put that in the microwave for 1 minute. Next we're going to get some green peppers. I store my green peppers in the deep freezer, so I had to defrost them, so I also defrosted them for 1 minute. This is a cool way. You can literally chop your veggies and store them in the freezer in zip bags. They come out fresh. You can just microwave them. Okay, next we're gonna use some mixed chilies. These ones are wow, you need these ones. You must have this. So I'm using just one. I'm not going to use the whole, since I'm making this pizza only for myself. I'm going to cut it in thin pieces, then take out the centers of it. The next I'm going to use white vinegar and just cover those up and microwave it for 1 minute. This is a must. You have to do this. This is the game changer. I know I've been saying that a lot, but this one is just wow. Great. And then I'm going to use an onion, cut it out as thinly as I can. I ended up using that whole onion because it was quite small. You can use your oil. I use some coconut oil to fry that up. I was going for a brown caramelized look, but it didn't go so well, so I just used what I had. Then I got some diced bacon. You could use whichever bacon you have available to you. If you don't have bacon, because I know it's a bit costly, you can get some sausages and use that as an alternative. This specific bacon was 46 Rand at ShopRite. It's not a lot quantity wise, but it was enough for making at least 1 or 2 pizzas, so that's good. So the next thing now is check on our dough, and it is looking beautiful. We're gonna just knit the dough and transfer it to our non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, you can use a regular pan, I'm guessing, with just some coverage of oil at the base. I didn't put any oil whatsoever, and I literally used all of my dough on this one. This is an option. You can spread it, you can cut it in half and use the other for a second pizza. I spread it around. It was quite sticky and messy, but that was cool. I like sticky and messy for some reason. I like playing around. And then once I got to the top, I just dipped my fingers in some water and smoothed out the top surface. Then we're going to put that sauce that we made on top, and I just spread it around. Next I put my onions, then my green peppers and my chilies that we put in the microwave. They look a different shade of green now. That's because the vinegar has seeped in and it's looking beautiful. Then I just throw on my bacon bits and some cheese. You can use whatever cheese you have available to you, as long as that, you know, sticky looking cheese, because that's the effect we want on our pizza. You want to cover the pan with a lid and wait for 25 to 30 minutes. When you get back, this is how it's gonna look. Yay! I am excited. It was delicious. It was amazing. Basically, you guys need to try this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you on the next one. Bye!